Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my Arabic learners. Welcome to another video of our Learn Arabic. Inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be teaching ourselves some Arabic expression, some Arabic words. Then with this word, we can use this word to form different expression with all this word. Now, the first word is what we have now. But before we proceed to this, let's subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is going to motivate me to be able to produce a lot of videos concerning about Arabic. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our efforts. Now we have now, which is what? Now that is now it means yes. Yes, but for the positive reply. That is what for positive reply. Yes, that is what for positive reply. That is what for positive reply. Now, yes. Now, yes. Now we have bala. That is what it means. Yes, yes, but it is for what? For negative reply. It is for negative reply. Now we have ajal. Ajal. It means yes. Yes, but it is for what? For shorty. Yes. That's for shorty reply. Now for shorty reply. Then we have taba'an. That's what? Of course. It means of course. Of course. Then we have mu'akkadan. That is what? Sure. Mu'akkadan. That is what? That is sure. Mu'akkadan. Sure. Now, let's use nam to what? We are going to ask a question. Then we are going to reply with what? Nam. Using the positive reply. Now, al-anta mutazawwij al-an. Al-anta mutazawwij al-an. That is, are you married now? Al-anta mutazawwij al-an. That is, al-anta. Al-anta mutazawwij. Al-anta mutazawwij al-an. That is what? Li'an. That is, are you married now? It means what? Are you married now? Al-anta mutazawwij al-an. Are you married now? Now, the reply is what? Is going to be naam. That is what? Naam. Naam. Ana mutazawwij. Julian. Now, ana mutazawwij Julian. That is what? I'm married now. Ana, naam, that is what? Yes. Ana mutazawwij Julian. That is what? Yes. I'm married now. Yes, I'm married now. Now, mu'akkadan. The word mu'akkadan. Mu'akkadan. That is, hal yumkinuka an tahmil hadha tiflu. Hal yumkinuka. You're asking question. That is, hal yumkinuka an tahmil hadha tiflu. That is one. Hal yumkinuka. That was hal yumkinuka an tahmilu. An tahmila. An tahmila hadha. That is what? Hadha tiflu. That is what? Can you carry this baby? This baby. هل يمكنك أن تحمل هذا الطفل? That can you carry this baby? Then you say no. We want to use the words now. Then our reply is going to be what? That's our reply is going to be نعم يمكنني أن أحمل هذا الطفل. But we have to use mu'akkadan to what? To form another phrase. let's use the word mu'akkadan. That's mu'akkadan. That is al-anta muta'akkid. That's al-anta. Al-anta. Al-anta muta'akkid. Al-anta muta'akkid. Al-anta muta'akkidu. An tahmilu. أن تحمل هذا طفل. That is what? Can you carry this baby? That is, are you sure? Are you sure you can carry this baby? Are you sure? Nam ana muta'akkid. That is, our reply is going to be what? Nam ana muta'akkidu. That is what? Yes, I'm sure. Or we say taba'an. Of course, taba'an nam. That is, of course, yes. Taba'an nam. That is what? Taba'an nam. That is what? Taba'an. That's taba'an. Taba'an nam. That is, of course, yes. Taba'an nam. Of course, yes. So in today's video, this is what we have for today's class. So just take your time to jot something down. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our efforts. With all this bala, ajal, mutaba'an, makadan, you can jot it at somewhere, or you come back to the video, you watch the video again. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless our efforts. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks.